Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to use a live photo as your iPhone wallpaper. First, open the photos and select the live photo you want to use as a wallpaper. Now tap the share button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap set as a wallpaper. On the preview screen, if the live photo effect is turned off, simply tap the live icon to enable it again. You can click here. Next, tap done in the top right corner. You will see the customize option. Tap it if you want to make any changes. If you tap the blur option, your wallpaper will become blurred. If you don't want the blur effect, just tap it again and turn it off. Once everything looks the way you want, tap done to save your wallpaper. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.